How to stop videos autoplaying in your Pinterest app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop the videos autoplay on your Pinterest app. So let's dive right in. Open up your Pinterest. Head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three dots in the top right. Go to settings and then you'll be able to see privacy and data. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom and then you can see autoplay videos. Just toggle it off. You can toggle off both mobile data and Wi-Fi. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.